Hi students, today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterfly's life cycle has 4 stages. Every stage is different from each other. Let's study about the different stages of a butterfly. Stage number 1, egg. A butterfly starts its life as an egg. Mother butterfly lays egg on the leaf. The eggs are tiny and round. Stage 2 is caterpillar or larva. A caterpillar hatches out of the egg after about 5 days. A caterpillar is like a long worm. Then the caterpillar starts eating flower or leaves. The caterpillar eats too much as it grows big and big day by day. The third stage is pupa. In this stage, a caterpillar forms a hard shell around itself. It is a resting or changing stage of a butterfly. Slowly, a butterfly tries hard to get out of the hard shell. At last, the butterfly comes out. Now, this is the stage 4, butterfly. The time when butterfly comes out, its wings are soggy and soft. A butterfly rests for some time and its wings become stiff and help the butterfly to fly. Now, I have an assignment for you guys. You have to draw and learn the different stages of a life cycle of a butterfly. Goodbye, take care.